wear my grandma's clothes. I look incredible. I make 'em prettier. You'll see in this video. Hi there! Today we'll be taking on something a little more challenging with this carpet-looking pattern top. First, I cut a rectangle piece 13 inches from the bottom of the shirt. Since I don't have a dress form, I pinned the rectangle piece on my shirt and drew around my underboob with some chalk. With the piece laid flat, I fixed the measurements of the curved lines. Then I cut the cups out only on the front piece. Then I pinned and sewed the top of the top. With the top part of the shirt, I traced the cup cutouts but added 1.5 inches to the measurement. Then I cut those pieces out. Overlocked the straight side of the cups and sewed a channel for the elastic. I sewed a loose basting stitch along the curve without back stitching. On one thread, I gathered the fabric until it fit the curved cutouts on the top. Next, I inserted the elastic through the channels on the cups. finally sewed the cups in place. Next, I cut a piece of elastic for the back. I marked the midpoint and pinned it on the midpoint of the back of the top. Then I sewed it in place. And then I measured a piece of elastic that would sit comfortably around my waist. Using the original hem of the shirt, I seam ripped a hole and fed my waist elastic through with the help of a safety pin. Sewed the ends of the elastic together and sewed the opening of the hem shut. I took in 2 inches from the sides, but it ended up being too tight, so if you need to adjust your top, make sure to leave a little room to breathe. Next, the sleeves. I roughly cut the original sleeves from the shirt, leaving more space on the shoulder part. I overlocked the raw edges, then folded it once to create the hem. I cut 2 10-inch pieces of elastic and attached it onto the edge of the sleeves, making sure to stretch while sewing. Then I attach the non-elastic parts of the sleeve to the top. I wanted to add a bow in the middle of the top, so using the color of the shirt, I cut out a strip about half an inch wide and sewed it right sides together. found its midpoint and hand sewed it onto the top.